Well, since we're shipbuilders, we're going to start having to think like shipbuilders, which means that ships are made out of panels. Depending on the size of the ship, you have more or less panels. Since the Mamba is a very small fighter, the chances it will not be made out of a large amount of panels. So what I'm going to do is now divide this by 2 and connect these two. Okay, we'll do it from here right now. So I'm going to focus on the top side of the ship first, and later we'll focus on the bottom. Now, the top side, what we can do here actually is either we can go the inset round of bevel again, okay. But that's a little boring. So let's take this one step further and make sure that we have panels that look right. Panels cannot have 8 different edges. We cannot have that. So let's try and make some panels that look good, and we can use later on to create our normal map width. There we go. We divide this by 2. By 8. Pressing numeric keypad 8, and we're going to deselect those 2. The red ones we're going to delete again, pressing the delete key. Okay, I'm going to divide these by 2. 6. Nope, not good enough. Oh, could be good enough. Take these 2. There we go. And we just select. Change my focus point here because there we go. That's a panel that already starts to look good. Okay. What we would have here is that panel is too big, so let's cut it up into 2 more panels. Okay. Cut it up. Voila. And now these 2 here. See a panel coming up here. So divide this by 9. Deselect these 2. Connect this with this. And this with this. There we go. Okay. So this is a panel, but it's not looking straight because the edge here should be parallel to this one. So how are we going to do that? Select these 2 edges, zoom in a bit, and see. Divide by 8. It's not going to cut it. Go back one step. Divide by 6. No. 7. No. 5. 5 might do it. Let's deselect these 2. Delete it. Connect. It's not quite, huh? No. Go back again. Try the 6th one anyway. Voila. Divided by 6. Delete the rest. Reconnect both. Yeah, that will do nicely. Now let's make sure that these 2 are merged together. Put the backspace key, that we delete the vertex here that is no longer of any use to us. There we go. Now we have a panel here, but it doesn't look too good because it's got a pointy panel here on the side. So let's make sure that this is divided by 9 maybe. Let's have a look. That will do. 9 maybe will do. Let's see if that works or not. Delete the rest. Connect. Go and merge these 2 panels together. Go. Now, save it. Now let's go here. We need nav lights anyway, so this will make a fine opportunity to put nav lights in. Let's inset. press the A key to zoom in on what we're doing. Extrude normal this time. Keep an eye on it so we don't come out at the bottom. That's right. And now we scale uniform. There we go. And that's a nice spot to put an outline in. Okay. Save. Now we could start, what we could start doing now is actually dividing this into a smaller panel even. Divided by 3. Keep those two. Connect. And connect. Now even here. Put those two together. Or let's say here even. Voila. By 8. Okay, delete that. Connect. And connect. Right? Now from here on, let's say we can divide this by 8. Yeah, that will do nicely. Maybe 7. Nope. 8 was fine. Okay. So again, keep selecting, deleting the rest. And connecting. Right. We're going to divide these two. Divide them by 8. That's not enough. By 9. That's not even enough. Sometimes even the highest setting that you can input on your keyboard is not high enough. So you'll have to, well, we can cut it by, let's say, 4. Keep these two. Delete the rest. Select these two and cut it again by 5. Let's see if it then lines up. This should be parallel to this one here. There we go. We have it here. 1, 2. Now we can select the other two ones that we don't need anymore and delete the rest. And connect. There we go. Alright. Now we can merge these two together. These two together as well. Make sure that we delete the vertices that we don't need. And that panel looks sound. Okay. What we can do now is we can extrude these two in the Z direction. Sorry, in the Y direction. Like so. Now, scale uniform. Make it look good. And there we go. Okay. Have a look at some more. Looks all good. All looks good. Okay. Okay. This concludes part number 3.